आपणा सर्वांचं आमच्या चॅनलवरती मनापासून स्वागत करतोय. आपण कोऑर्डिनेट जॉमेट्रीमध्ये एक महत्त्वाचा मुद्दा आपण पाहूया. दॅट इज यूज ऑफ सेक्शन फॉर्म्युला अँड मिडपॉइंट फॉर्म्युला टुगेदर. लेट अस सी very interesting two examples today. First example, 2 points are given A and B and segment it is trisected. 3 equal parts are there. रेषाखंडाचे 3 समान भाग करणाऱ्या पॉइंट्स चे कोऑर्डिनेट्स आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचे. We are going to calculate the coordinates of P and Q which are dividing the segment into 3 equal parts. So let P and Q are dividing the segment AB in 3 equal parts. So to find out coordinates of P and to find out coordinates of Q, very interesting point, consider P point only, single P point. In that case, P point segment AB, it is dividing in the ratio 1, and from this point it is 2 distance. So what is the ratio there? 1:2. That is important. So in that case we have to use that section formula. Remember the section formula and see A point it will be x1 y1, B point it is x2 y2, and ratio, the ratio value m is to n is 1 to 1:2. So substitute the values properly. What is that? 1 into x2. x2 is -4. Then n into x1, it is 2. So you can say that -4 plus 4, 0, 0 divided by 3, you are getting the value x coordinate of P. See that the value x coordinate of P is 0 there. So you are getting the x coordinate. Similarly, calculate y coordinate of that point P, which is dividing the segment in the ratio 1:2. So what is the 1 there? M. What is 2 there? N. Substitute, put the values properly. Formula my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So 1 into, what is that value of y2? It is y2 minus 8. 2 into y1. y1 is 7. Substitute properly. So you can see that the difference 14 positive, 8 negative, 6. 6 upon 3, it is 2 there. So you are finding the coordinates of P. Coordinates of P are 0, 2. Now if you consider PP segment, Q is definitely midpoint there. To calculate the coordinates of Q point, you can use the midpoint formula. You can use the midpoint formula. And what is the midpoint formula? X coordinate of Q, x1 plus x2 upon 2. So what is the value of x1 there? It is 0. Plus, what is the value of x2 there? It is -4. Divided by 2. See that result -4 upon 2. It is -2. Similarly, y coordinate of Q. y1 plus y2 upon 2. What is y1 there? 2. Plus y2 is negative 8 upon 2. Difference -6 divided by 2, -3. So these are the coordinates of point Q. What are the coordinates you are finding? -2, -3. This is your final answer. -2, -3. And what about P there? It is P point. Coordinates are 0, 2. 0, 2. So we are getting 3 equal parts there. And segment is trisected there, but we are using both formulae. What is the first formula? Section formula. After that, midpoint formula. So this is very typical example for you. Next one, again, in that problem, segment रेषाखंड it is divided into 5 equal parts. त्याचे 5 समान भाग केलेले आहेत. या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये 3 समान भाग केलेले आहेत. आता या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये 5 समान भाग करायचे, 5 equal parts. Coordinates of A and B are given. So these are the endpoints of that segment AB. Let P, Q, R, S 4 points are there which are making equal parts there. You can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are 5 equal parts there. You cannot use directly midpoint because P is not midpoint of AB. Similarly, Q is not midpoint of AB, like that. So first you think about the point P. It is dividing the segment in which ratio? That is very interesting. From A to P, consider single distance, one distance, and from P to B, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the ratio there? You are getting 1:4. 1:4. Now use that segment AB. A coordinates x1, y1. B coordinates x2, y2. Use the formula, section formula properly. mx2 plus nx1 upon n plus n. So what is the value of x2 there? Substitute there 0. What is the value of x1 there? That is 20 divided by m plus n. M is 1. This is your m and this is your n. So m and n. M plus n. It is 5. And what is the product there? 0 plus 80. Now 80 plus 0 is 80. Upon 5, answer is 16. So that is x coordinate of P point. Similarly, calculate y coordinate of P point. You are getting P point x coordinate 16. Now calculate y coordinate of that point by using section formula. 1:4 ratio. 1 into y2. What is that y2 there? It is 20 there. 4 into y1. It is 10 there. Take the, what is that product there? 20 into 1? 20. 4 into 10? 40. Divided by 4 plus 1? 5. See that total is 60 upon 5. It is 12. So you are getting coordinates of P point 60, 12. Now after that, very simple for you. If you think segment PB and R, you think that R is dividing the segment PB into 2 equal parts. So in other words, R is the midpoint of segment. What is that? R is the midpoint of segment PB. This is the name of that segment. And P coordinates are there. What are the coordinates of P? It is 60 and 12. Coordinates of B are already given in the example. Now we can use the midpoint formula. Remember properly midpoint formula. We know that x coordinate of R point x1 plus x2 upon 2. So this is your x1 y1 and this is your x2 y2. So what is that? 16 plus 0. That is 16 plus 0 upon 2. That will be 8. See that? 16 plus 0 divided by 2. So you are getting the coordinate, x coordinate of R point. What is that? 8 there. Similarly, y1 plus y2. What is y1 there? 12. 12 plus y2. It is 20 there. Divided by 2. 20 plus 12, 32 upon 2. So you are finding that 16. So these are the coordinates of R point by using midpoint formula. Now you go further like that. You consider segment PR. segment PR, you are getting that Q is the midpoint. So again it is explained properly by using diagram there. PR segment is there. What are the coordinates of P point? These are 16 and 12. What about R point? Already calculated 816. 816. R point coordinates are calculated. So we can calculate the coordinates of Q point by using midpoint formula. Again use the formula. What is that? Here this is your x1, y1. This is your x2, y2. So 16 plus 8. 16 plus 8 upon 2. 24 divided by 2. That is 12. Similarly, y coordinate of Q point. You are getting this is 12. To find out y coordinate of Q, 12 plus 16. 12 plus 16 upon 2. Remember the total there, find out total there, formula is there. What is that? 28 upon 2, that is 14. So what are the coordinates of Q point? 12, 14. So these are the coordinates of point Q, 12, 14. Now remember that RB is the segment and S is the midpoint there. RB is the segment. Coordinates of R. What are the coordinates of R? 8, 16. And B coordinates are 0, 20. By using the midpoint formula, X coordinate of S. X coordinate of S. This is your x1, y1. This is your x2, y2. 8 plus 0. You can use that formula. 8 plus 0 divided by 2, it is 4. Now y1 plus y2. 16 plus 20. 16 plus 20 upon 2, it is 36. So it is 80. So we are finding 480. So this is very interesting example. 5 equal parts are there. When 5 equal parts, odd number 5. When it is 3 equal parts, trisection 3 is odd number. So if it is odd number, odd parts are there. What is that? Odd parts, equal parts, odd equal parts. Of course, equal parts. We are making odd equal parts. In that case, remember, first we have to use the section formula. After that, we are using midpoint formula. We are using midpoint formula. That is technique. And when even number is there, even number, even parts are there. What is that meaning of even parts? 4 parts are there. You can use very interesting when there are 4 parts or 2 parts are there. Use midpoint formula. Use midpoint formula. Remember, this is the hint given to you when you are going to use the section formula. Section formula कधी वापरणार आणि midpoint formula कधी वापरणार हे डोक्यात ठेवायचं. पण जास्त महत्त्वाचे 2 एक्झाम्पल्स आपल्याला दिलेले आहेत सॉल्व्ह करून. ट्रायसेक्शन 3 एकरूप भाग आहे, तेव्हा सेक्शन फॉर्म्युला आणि midpoint formula वापरा. 5 parts are there. Use first section formula. After that, you can use midpoint formula. So this is very important problem for you. आपल्याला चॅनल आमचा आवडला असेल तर सबस्क्राइब करा, लाईक करा आणि शेअर करा. परीक्षेसाठी आपण चांगल्या तयारीला लागूया. मी तुमच्या बरोबर सतत पाठीशी आहे. थँक्यू.